In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow sites to play protected content in Google Chrome. This might be necessary for situations where you're trying to access media on certain websites but are encountering playback issues due to content protection settings. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your browser settings are adjusted properly so you can enjoy your favorite content without a hitch. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser. Once the browser is open, take a look at the top right corner where you'll find three vertical dots, which is the menu button. Go ahead and click on those. This will display a drop-down list with various options. We're looking for Settings, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand side. You'll notice several categories listed there. We are looking for the one labeled Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find a variety of options related to how your data is managed by Chrome. Click on Privacy and Security to proceed. Now, you're in the right spot to dig into more specific settings related to how websites interact with your browser. We're particularly interested in site settings, which can be found within this category. These settings control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. So click on Site Settings to continue. Within Site Settings, you'll notice a further division of options. We are going to delve a little deeper by clicking on Additional Content Settings. This might not be as visible initially, and you may have to scroll down a little to find it. Once you've located Additional Content Settings, click on it to unfold more specific settings. Now, you should see a list that includes the option we want to modify, which is Protected Content. You'll see it listed in this section. What's crucial here is to ensure that the setting labeled Sites Can Play Protected Content is turned on. This will enable websites to present you with media that is protected by digital rights management. Simply toggle the switch to ensure it's enabled, allowing those sites to play their protected content seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've just adjusted your Chrome settings to let sites play protected content, meaning fewer interruptions and a smoother media experience when using your browser. If you're revisiting the video because you're still facing issues, make sure these settings have been applied correctly, as sometimes they might revert or not save as intended. Hopefully, this video has been helpful, and feel free to leave a comment if you have further questions or need additional assistance.